Let us have a quick look at the primary classification of numbers. First, natural numbers. This is a set of countable numbers starting from 1. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on up to infinity. Natural numbers are identified with letter N. Next, whole numbers. If a 0 is included in the set of natural numbers, that set gives whole numbers W. The set of whole numbers is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to infinity. Next classification is integers. In the set of whole numbers except 0, include the negative counterpart of every number. That resultant set gives set of integers ranging from minus infinity to plus infinity. For every positive integer, we shall consider its negative counterpart. For 1, take minus 1. For 2, take minus 2. For 3, we have minus 3 and so on. So this is a set of countable positive and negative numbers including 0. Next, we'll have a look at even and odd numbers. First, even numbers. The set of integers which are divisible by 2 are even numbers. Set of even numbers represented with letter E is given as 2, 4, 6, 8, so on up to infinity. Next, odd numbers. The set of integers which are non-divisible by 2 are odd numbers. Set of odd numbers represented with letter O is given as 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on up to infinity. Remember, negative integers can also be included in their respective even and odd number sets. Here we have a small note. 0 is neither even nor odd.